Hey, so you want to make a name for yourself online. Maybe you want to start a business, maybe a side hustle, maybe a full-time income, maybe e-commerce, maybe drop shipping. Well, in this video, I want to show you a quick start guide on how to get up and running in less than an hour for zero money out of pocket. So make sure you watch till the end. Hey guys, Mark here with 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟, and I want to show you a quick tutorial, a quick rundown, a quick start guide on how to get started in the online business, specifically dropshipping. No, dropshipping is not dead. You just need to know what to do and how to do it. And there's a few steps you need to take in order to get there. The first website I want to reference in this video is a website called Oberlo. Now, Oberlo is a multifaceted website. It's a multifaceted company, which means it has many different sides. There's a few things I want to highlight in this website right here. You can go to the link in my description. Make sure you click on that link, and you'll also get a free dropshipping 101 course that you can go ahead and start instantly. Go through the videos, start learning. If you have no experience and you don't know where to go, I highly suggest getting that course and going through the lessons so that you can learn properly. But I'm going to give you a quick overview. If you go to Oberlo, the website, you can see a whole bunch of different menu items at the top. You see the different features that they have. You can find products to sell online very easily. They have a whole network, and they're also connected to AliExpress. Now, AliExpress is one of the main websites. It's not the only website, but it's one of the main websites that we can source products from. Basic principle of dropshipping is you're sourcing prices from somewhere else. You're sourcing products. You're finding a product at a low price with good rating, good seller rating, and lots of orders. It means it's in high demand. You're going to connect it to your store. You're going to increase the price. You're going to keep the profit. They're going to send it on your behalf white label, which means they're not going to put any logos or any paperwork in there. So back to the website, you can find products on Oberlo to sell. You can make data-driven decisions, meaning their back end gives you everything you need to know. You can manipulate the price. You can manipulate the description. You can edit everything. You can take out pictures. You can put in pictures, and it tracks. It tracks all of your sales, all of whether it's being fulfilled or not, or whether something's being held up. It tracks everything. You could make more time for marketing. So suppliers ship products directly to customers, giving you more time to focus on marketing and getting that customer service and that customer experience going. So again, drop shipping is you find a company somewhere else, usually overseas. When somebody comes on your website and places an order, you can then press one button. It goes to them. They fulfill the order. They package it. They fulfill it. They ship it on your behalf. The customer ends up receiving it and thinks this whole time that you did all the hard work. It's a brilliant work model. It's a brilliant business model, drop shipping, because it takes a lot of pressure off of the seller. You don't have to deal with any inventory of products. You don't have to buy a large number of products and ship it to the Amazon warehouse and worry about barcodes. Absolutely none of that. So if you want to get started in an online business, this is definitely the route to take. Just get started in drop shipping. Get your feet wet. If you are successful at drop shipping and you want to take it to the next level, then you can start talking about maybe Amazon FBA or some other e-commerce businesses where you can source products, you get them shipped to you, you do all the handling, the packaging, the shipping. Now that's taking your business to a whole new level. That means you're going to have warehouse cost, you're going to have inventory cost, but a lot of people do it and they're very successful at it. So get your feet wet in drop shipping, then take it to the next level. Back to the website, you can automate your drop shipping. So the free Oberlo Chrome extension that you can download and install on Chrome allows you to add products to your store directly from AliExpress with just a few clicks. You source the product through AliExpress, you click one button, it gets sucked into your back end. Then you can go ahead and mess with all of the metadata and all of the pictures and descriptions and stuff like that. The extension automatically automates fulfillment so you can focus on making more sales as well. Everything you need to know is on the Oberlo website. You can go ahead and get registered through the link down in my bio, and then you can go ahead and if you go to resources, you can go to Oberlo 101 course. That's your drop shipping course. You can also look at tons of other resources, videos. There's an ebook you can download. There's podcasts. They actually have a great Instagram page as well, where they always share tips and tricks. So that's the first website I wanted to highlight. Second one is Shopify. So obviously Oberlo works exclusively with Shopify. You're going to want to make sure you have a Shopify account. Shopify, you can get 14-day free trial. You can also do that through the Oberlo 101 course. It tells you, once you log in and you see your back end of Oberlo, it tells you how to connect a store. You can go ahead and click that button. It'll bring you over to Shopify. You'll be able to set up your store there. Once you have a store set up, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you choose a theme. Shopify comes with a number of free themes that you can choose from right here, free themes. Once you have a theme that you like, you can go ahead and customize it. Once you customize it, you want to start looking for your products and sourcing your products. Again, once you have Shopify, Oberlo should instruct you how to get their app installed. You're going to want to make sure Oberlo's app is installed in your Shopify store. You can do that through Visit Shopify Apps, search for Oberlo, make sure it's connected. You want to make sure the two platforms are talking to each other. So once that app is connected, you go back to your store and you can just start customizing it. Just start adding products. You can add one main product that you really want to focus on advertising, but you can add a whole bunch of different products as well. Once you have that set up, you have your store set up, you're pretty much ready to roll. Now you can go on social media. You can go on Facebook, you can go on Instagram, you can go on TikTok. TikTok is a huge traffic source right now. Start a TikTok channel and start providing videos of that are kind of around maybe drop shipping as a whole or around your particular niche. If you're doing fitness, maybe do a bunch of fitness videos in your TikTok videos, and then leave a call to action in your video saying, hey, go to my store, online and push traffic to your store so that people start looking at your product. And it's a game of numbers. So the more people you have to your store, the more chances are there will be sales. It's not going to be one for one. Not every person that goes to your store is going to buy, but they may come back at a later time and buy as well. You can buy a domain. You can go to GoDaddy, you can go to Bluehost, SiteGround, purchase a domain, and then in your settings you can go ahead and connect your domain to Shopify. Under online stores, you can go to domain. You can actually buy a domain right through Shopify as well. You can buy a new domain. They're a little more expensive, but if you go to like GoDaddy or something like that, you can forward your domain to this store. And that's so that when somebody types in, 𝗟𝗚𝗡𝗞𝗦.com, it'll go to your store directly, or my store in this case directly. If you don't put a domain on your store, you can still probably have a successful online business, but people like to see professionalism, so you're going to want to make sure you have a domain name. If you don't have a domain name, it's going to look like this: 𝗟𝗚-fit-co.myshopify.com/shop. And it's too much for you to remember. You're not going to remember that, so people are less likely to revisit your site. So you want to make sure you have a nice short and sweet domain. Mine is 𝗟𝗚𝗡𝗞𝗦.com. Boom. Easy. So in the call to action of my videos on TikTok or Instagram, I can put, hey, visit 𝗟𝗚𝗡𝗞𝗦.com for your latest fitness products, or for a really cool boxing product that will help you strengthen your, whatever the case may be. Just describe it in a way that is going to solve a problem for your reader or your listener or the person watching your video. So in a nutshell, guys, that is about it. If you want another video about how to drive traffic to your Shopify store, or how to connect things or other types of information surrounding Oberlo, please feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I do another video. So until the next video, guys, thanks for watching. Stay freaky, stay awesome, stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.